Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to do a number formatting on your Google Sheets on your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your mobile documents, and after that you just need to choose the number that you want to format. So for example, you just need to go click this part and block all of the number that you want to change the format. So this is the original or the default format by the system. If you want to change it, you just need to go click this A symbols and jump into the cells, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this number format, and then you just need to go click it, and here you can choose either you want to stay automatic or default form from the system, or you can choose this part, this number, percent, scientific, and so on. Since this part I use for the ID, so I will like to do with a number. Or if you want to replace those, just go click the plain text. So that's the way how to do number formatting on a Google Sheet application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.